Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an appointment with CVS online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to schedule a COVID-19 shot online with CVS. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your CVS account. Next, click on Schedule Vaccines. And then once you're on this page here, you can either schedule a vaccine for yourself or someone else. So we're going to click Add Someone Else. We're going to enter out some blurred out information here, enter your date of birth, and then click on Add. Now, once you or someone else is added onto here, you can click on Add Vaccines. You can select which vaccines you want, such as the flu or COVID-19 vaccine. Click on Add New. On this page here, just click on Next, and then indicate whether you've had COVID-19 vaccine in the last 2 months. We're going to select No. And then here you can indicate the preferences as far as which COVID-19 vaccine you want. Click on Next. Now, this is where you can indicate your zip code and when you want the appointment to be, and you can also sort it by nearest. So with that, if you want your appointment to be in the future, you can indicate that, or if you want it to be the nearest, you could also indicate that as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule an appointment with CVS online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.